Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to launch an online business without holding inventory, in this quick guide I will show you exactly how to create a Shopify dropshipping store in 2025 step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to be create a Shopify account over here and then just pick a theme. Like you just need to be go to the shopify.com and then select their free trial and create your account and answer quick questions. Once you are inside your dashboard, just pick a theme. We already did it. You just need to go over here online store, just click over here and then select the themes, and here actually you will get this Sabo theme, and here you just need to be click to the publish and then you are allowed to go further. Shopify has free and paid themes. You can use drag and drop editor to customize your store look more good. You can add your logo, colors and brand style. Now once you are done, you just need to be go to the app, like add a dropshipping ad. So Shopify already had a couple of apps to start dropshipping, so I will go to the Shopify app store, and now we just need to be install a dropshipping app from the Shopify app store. Popular one in 2025 include Desserts, Drop or Spoke Pocket. So for this video we are going to use Desserts. These apps connect you with suppliers, so you can add products to your store without buying inventory upfront. So just search for Desserts, and here you can see Desserts AliExpress shipping. Just click to the install. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and then we are allowed to install it here. You just need to browse product in your niche, import them to your store with one click and edit the description and prices. So here I will just click to the install. Once I click over here, then we just need to be set up the Desert account. We just need to be create a Desert account. Once we did, then it will automatically connect it with our platform. So here you just need to be create an account for you. Just click over here. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes for the authentication. So here you can see register yourself. This is automation order solution, so you can go with the free one. They also provide the free one. Just click to the get started, and here you can see we already created an account. So here you just need to be connect AliExpress, link to the AliExpress, and here you can see we already have this one. Just click this one and just click to the register. So we just need to be create an AliExpress also. So once you're done, everything is set up perfectly. Now you just need to be set up your payments. Here you just need to come over here and then set up your payments, like connect Shopify payments. It could be PayPal or other gateway to get paid. Then set up your shipping rates. Most dropshipping suppliers handle the delivery for you. When you are happy with your products and design, connect your domain name and hit publish. Your dropshipping store is live. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe, and check the description for free trial link and my full dropshipping playlist. Good luck and happy selling in 2025.